Hi guys, here's my backup trailer with an auto crane. We have a big job box. We have a very large 300 cylinder of oxygen with propane. We have a reel for that. 2 extension cords. We have 50 foot of negative and positive, well, like a 10-foot whip or so. We have a multi-quip DC welder. It's a 270 amp welder. The auto crane's a 2-ton crane. It has an extension in it as well. The extension's right here, the darker piece, and it can extend up to 16 feet. It's got a vise on it as well, and a spare tire is hidden under here. The only thing we're going to do different is I have a different winch for it, and I'm going to do at least 2 outriggers for it as well. But that's what we have so far.